Hey you, are your kicks still like this? Okay, let me tell you how to improve your kicks. So before we start, we need something like this, but you can use chair or table, motorcycle, brick wall or whatever. Number one is front kick or push kick. So the first step or the first position is like this, okay? See? And then lift your right leg up like this. But don't forget to change your left foot direction, you know what I'm saying? So like this. See? Okay. One, and then count from 1 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then straighten your foot like this. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Foot back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And stop. See? 1, 1 to 8, 2, 1 to 8, 3, 1 to 8, and 4. Okay.
Okay.
And number 2 is roundkick, and it's a little bit different because you need to turn your hip. So like this. See? Like this, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. And number 3 is sidekick. The position is still same, like this, and it's more like roundhouse kick. So you have to turn your hip, like this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and like this. But for the first position, you can be like this, your left foot step in, and then like this, and then push, pull it back, and stop. If your balance is good, I mean, you can do it like this. You don't, your kick is on like this again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And roundhouse. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then side kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.